What's up guys and welcome back. Today I'd like to share my review on the LASFIT LED turn signals and reverse light bulbs. Just FYI, I'm not sponsored by the LASFIT company, so I will give you my honest review. Now, I've had these lights installed for about a year now, and I do like the fact that they are brighter than the original light bulbs. But I do want to share a few things. To start, I'd like to mention that during an off-road trip, one of the reverse light bulbs detached from the socket and fell inside the tail light housing. I believe this happened because the LASFIT light bulbs didn't fit as snug as the original light bulbs. So in order to prevent either of them from coming loose again, I decided to apply hot glue around the junction where the light bulb and the socket connect, and so far it's been working out fine. And well, I used hot glue in case I needed to replace them in the future. Alright, if you're someone like me who commutes in LA, you're likely no stranger to frequent traffic. Personally, I make it a habit to use my turn signals whenever I change lanes or execute a left or right turn. Okay, so I've noticed that when you frequently use your turn signals during your commute, the light bulbs start to hyperflash when they become hot. And once they are turned off and cooled down, the hyperflashing stops, but it tends to return when the signals are used frequently or left on for an extended period. Starting with the driver's side signal, this took about 3 minutes before it got hot and began to hyperflash. You will also see a notification come up on your cluster monitor that states turn signal failure. Now, to be honest, the passenger signal took less time and about 2 minutes to hyperflash because I did test out that side first to see how long it would take before failing. If you're stuck in traffic and leave your signals on when trying to make a left or right turn and it's been more than 2 to 3 minutes, the hyperflashing begins. It might not bother you, but it does bother me. Okay, so if you ask me what I think about these LED lights, well, they are currently doing their job, and until I find a better option, I will keep them on the truck. And if you haven't yet, check out the Berzerkr website to find out more about the parts on the truck and links where you can find them. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe so I can upload some more, and leave your comments in the section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video.